have Lenovo Legion, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot or the series of photos on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then in the camera mode you just have to hold down shutter button, and after that, as you can see, it will take, like I took right now, 50 shots. Here I can review these shots. Wait, what? Let's try once again. So you just... okay. I have... oh my god, I have all these shots like this. How can I delete them all? So as you can see, I took like 50 shots right now by holding this button, and they all look like this. What a shame. But yeah, now you know how you can take a burst shot. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.